Kia ora, I'm Thomas from Wilderness Motorhomes, and today I'm going to show you how to do a quick reset on the Truma unit in your motorhome. I've turned on the central heating system. I've selected it to run on LPG, but I've not opened the gas bottle. So what will happen now is that it will try to ignite on gas, but eventually we will have an error code coming up on the screen, and I'm going to show you when that appears how to do a reset of the system. So we'll give it a few seconds now. It will try to ignite and then it will show us an error code. As you can see now, it's giving me a message here, E517H. This is because it's trying to ignite on gas, but it's not detecting a gas supply. So in order for us to reset it and for the system to go back to normal, we just push the rotary dial twice and then the error message goes away. In most cases that will solve the problem, but if you keep getting an error message, you might need to do a deeper reset of the system. For a full reset, begin by pressing the rotary dial in until you bring up the heater menu. Turn the dial until you have selected the error icon. Press the rotary dial twice, and this should reset the heater system. Do not hold down the rotary button, as this will turn off the control panel. If you're still requiring assistance after going through those steps, you can find the phone number for our on-road team on the back of our user manual.